Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel Tech Whipped. Today, I will talk about latest newest Apple Watch. Apple Watch is a line of smartwatches produced by Apple Incorporated. It incorporates fitness tracking, health-oriented capabilities, and wireless telecommunication, compatible with iOS, Apple Watch, and other Apple products. The Apple company announced in September 2022 the Apple Watch Series 8 is the newest iteration of the Apple Watch. Originally came out in 2015, and it replaces the prior generation Apple Watch Series 7. So now with the Apple Watch Ultra in the Series 8, they have a temperature sensor, which is so incredible, not only for tracking your cycle, but also for detecting ovulation. I've been using the Oura Ring for the past, like over a year, and because it has the temperature sensing, it has been so accurate to predict periods. So everyone with the period, high five to us. We're gonna now have more accurate predictions, which is so exciting. Another thing that I think is cool is this display. It's a flat display. It's also super resistant. And the flat display makes it so much easier to be able to scroll and use it. In my experience, if you're out in the middle of nowhere, you can easily press buttons and stuff on the display. The other thing that's also interesting, which I don't think I'll be testing out, because I am not a very good swimmer, but this has a dive mode. So basically when you dive, it'll automatically detect that you're diving, and it'll give you the water temperature. It'll show you how far you're diving, and that's pretty awesome. Maybe I'll get scuba certified because of the Apple Watch Ultra. I don't know. It's a possibility. I just thought I would try them on just to see how they look and how they feel. So this is the Ocean Loop Band, and this is the Trail Band. The crazy thing is they do look pretty large, but it's light, it's not a heavy feel. And I think that this Trail Loop Band probably fits the best, because it keeps it nice and snug. This I feel like is a little bit low on my arm, so I probably wouldn't go with this one. Thankfully, I don't really go in the ocean, so we won't need to worry about that. So it has 36 hours of battery life, which is pretty impressive, especially for a watch like this, which makes sense, because it is much larger. There's gonna be a new optimization that's coming out in the fall, and you'll be able to actually get 60 hours, which is kind of cool, because if you are out in the middle of nowhere, to be able to have that added battery life is pretty awesome. This also has the Precision Dual Frequency GPS, which would be super helpful, because even when I'm downtown, it's tough sometimes to get GPS signals. So if you are out in the middle of nowhere, or you're doing a marathon or something, and you're running in areas where you need precise location, this will definitely aid with that. Something else really cool that they added in the new Ultra and the Series 8 is crash detection. So if you, unfortunately, find yourself in a car crash, you'll be able to alert authorities immediately to get help. And that's honestly something that is so cool. And during the event, they always show these Apple Watch stories, and they're so touching. And there are so many lives that have been saved because of this device, and that's so incredible to see. I definitely think that this is built for the action sports person in mind. But hey, who's to say that the everyday person can enjoy the Apple Watch Ultra? Because I know I'm definitely pre-ordering. The Apple Watch Ultra is available for $799, and this was just a first look at it here at the Apple event today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned with me for more technologies, and never forget to like, comment, and subscribe.